Hey everyone, Gemini 3.6 Flash is out and it's excellent for coding agents. But if you're using Cline, you'll notice it's missing from the model list. In this video, I'll show you the complete working method using the OpenAI Compatible provider. And I'll also walk you through getting a free Gemini API key from scratch. By the end, you'll have Gemini 3.6 Flash running inside VS Code. Let's start. Google provides an official OpenAI Compatible endpoint for Gemini models. That means Cline can talk to Gemini 3.6 Flash, even though the model is not yet listed in the normal Google Gemini provider. We'll use three things: Google's OpenAI Compatible base URL, your Gemini API key, and the exact model name Gemini 3.6 Flash. First, let's get the API key. This takes less than a minute. Open your browser and go to aiistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Google AI Studio, look at the left sidebar and click the API Key icon. Click the button that says Create API Key. Choose an existing Google Cloud project. If you have a new Gmail ID, then create a new Google Cloud project if required. After that, import the created project in the Google AI Studio. Then you will be able to create a new API key. As soon as the key is generated, click the copy icon. Important: store this key somewhere safe. You won't be able to see the full key again later. That's it. You now have a free Gemini API key ready to use. Before we continue, make sure you have Cline installed in VS Code, the Gemini API key we just created. That's all we need. Now open VS Code and open the Cline panel. Click the gear icon to open Cline settings. Change API provider to OpenAI Compatible. In the base URL field, copy and paste this exactly. I have provided the base URL in video description. Make sure there is a / at the end. Next, paste your Gemini API key into the API key field. In the model field, type exactly Gemini 3.6 Flash. You can leave the other settings as default for now. Close the settings. Cline will start using these values. Let's test it. Start a new Cline task and type a simple prompt such as create a complete to-do list app in single index, HTML file in modern dark mode UI. Now I press the send button. You should see Cline respond using Gemini 3.6 Flash. If everything is correct, the model will start generating the code right away. A few quick tips. Double check the base URL. The / at the end is important. If you get an authentication error, regenerate the API key and try again. You can switch back to the normal Google Gemini provider whenever you want. This same method will also work for future Gemini models that are missing from the list. You now have Gemini 3.6 Flash working in Cline, and you know how to create a free API key. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more practical AI coding tutorials. See you in the next one.